Do you want to remove the group chat in Messenger? You can delete group chat in Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove group chat in Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Removing a group chat in Messenger involves deleting or leaving the groups. Removing yourself from a group chat can stop receiving notifications for messages sent within that conversation. To remove a group chat in Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Now, scroll down and find the group chat you want to delete from your chats list. It will be listed among your other conversations. Tap on the group chat to open it. In the group chat conversation, tap on the group name or information icon at the top of the screen. This will open the group information and settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and look for the Leave Chat option. Once you find it, tap on Leave Chat at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up menu appears. Tap on Leave Group to confirm your decision. Now, you will exit the group chat, and it will be removed from your chats list. You will no longer receive messages from the group. By following these simple steps, you can delete a group chat from Facebook Messenger.